Testing, testing. All right, let's do this. By the way, before I take this off, please excuse the writing, but before I take it off, I want to make sure you understand this. You see that? See that? It's miners. Basically, over here is gold miners, gold, silver miners. And then we have this health and defense stock right here. That's the second one, hedge. And the last one, number 3, here is AI and photonics. So 3 different industry, 3 different basket. Right now, I'm heavily invested in the miners. I don't have enough liquidity, or else I would have got into health as well as AI and photonics. And like I mentioned, I like to do things like a documenting style, so you can go back and see how things are playing out. And another very unpopular opinion from an unpopular YouTuber. I guess you have to gamify this algo, the system, to get your message across. I don't do this video for myself. Like, it's not like I'm doing it so I can watch myself every single day. I'm doing it for you all. And whatever advice I'm giving, again, I'm a student of life with barely any views. Obviously, it doesn't come out like I'm very serious or you shouldn't take my word for it, whatever. But I would give the same advice to my younger self, to my kids, niece, nephews, keeping it totally unbiased. And if I make a mistake, I try not to. Especially, I mentioned this, I don't like to play with people's finances. So whenever I give you a pick or anything, I have to be very careful. And I always say this, man, retail always get burned because they just buy out of, without any research and stuff. Somebody throws at them, whatever all-time high, yeah, just buy it. So please understand, I like to break things down. So miners, health, defense, and AI and photonics. Now let me take this off and let me show you something real quick. Right, you ready? And this is going to be just unedited, quick Friday night video. This over here is my holding. All of these are my holding. Let me give you a better screen right here. Look at this here. CD, you can see that on top it says holding right here. So these are my holding, and you'll notice that I only have like NVO, which is a disaster in the health stock, but NVO, Veritone, that's about it, which is a little different. Most of them are miners, all gold, silver miners. And I did pick up at a decent time, like several months back. And if you followed my video, I've been documenting about silver. I used to do unboxing silver and all that stuff at one point. So I didn't just get into it right now. I've been buying into it for quite some time, especially the physical silver, all right, gold, and then you buy into the miners to stay liquid. And I still feel that the fundamentals didn't change. And once silver inflation, dollar loses value, you'll see gold skyrocket, you'll see silver skyrocket. It's a matter of patience, timing. And unfortunately, most people are not seeing this side. They're seeing the other side, which I'm going to show you, the AI photonics, which is surging right now. Should we get in right now at an all-time high? In my previous video, I literally said, I won't be surprised, even from that all-time high, it'll go up or 2x, 3x, and it started doing it. And I'm going to show that in a second. And prior to that, I posted this on our free community, just as a chat. Look at this. And almost 2 weeks ago, you can see that. 2 weeks ago, right here, it says, and this is the other side of the market, photonics, semiconductors, AI. Just pay attention to the list here. SciVef 121, Light 772, Applied Electronics 101, Core 275, BE 166, right? You see that? WDC, that's a Western Digital 316. Now, come back to the list here and check on some of the photonics. Check this out. So, Rackspace Technology, just a random one. You have this IQE, which is not available in the US normal, the stock trader, the brokerage account. You probably have to get something else, international market. So IQP, we have SLOEF, again, another one. They have SciVef. These are international. Applied Opto Electronics, all-time high, 150. Go back to this. AAE, where is this? 101. Look at this here. Look, right here. It's 101 right now. Was 2 weeks ago 100, and it just went to 150 right now. See that? Like literally went up 50% or so. And same thing with some of the other ones right here. Light, then you have WDC. Come back again, right? Where's Light here? There's several more. CRW, okay, another one. CoreWeave. This is decent, looks decent. Some insider just bought strikes, probably knows something about this. Yeah, again, look at this, 166. This is Bloom Energy Corporation, Laser, Enlight, Air, Circle, not Circle, Amazon, again, another one. Amazon, Facebook, Google, Broadcom, no doubt. Or you can just buy the ETF if you wanted to. Here, Western Digital Corporation, 343. Go back again. WDC, 316. Not extremely, but again, it's going up. That's the thing. AXT, same, right? Some of them are very risky, so be careful, because there are some people who are talking about this nonstop with a decent following. So just be a little careful. But overall, if you look, Skywater Technology, wait, where's some of the other ones? Reddit, another no-brainer. I mentioned the best $122 when it was 122. Again, it's all down from all-time high. No-brainer. I think I see it as a long-term hold. And then again, you go back. Light, look at this. This is Light, Lumentum. It literally went to $947. Go back here. LITE, Light is 772. Was, look at that. Light 772. And right now is at it's 897. So you can make gains. It's ridiculous what's happening with the war and on the other side. And then you have these gold miners, health stock in one other side. This is one of the miners, Hecla Mining, Hecla, Highcroft. These are solid company. So look into all these. Look at SanDisk, right? 584. Where's SanDisk? SanDisk was on this list as well. Oh, well, this is too big for the thing. NBIS, $121. SanDisk here. SanDisk, 772. NBIS, 121. Again, you come back. SanDisk, 851. NBIS, 144. So all of them are just going up. Do you buy it right now? I'm not going to tell you that. Because again, it's just hard to predict anything right now. It probably will do another 1.5x or 1x or 2x. Good. Or it could go the other way. Because retail is buying it all-time high, pushing it all the way. Whales are not playing. They already bought in way early. I know a couple of the so-called billionaires, they bought in this way back in Bloom Energy and some of the others to hedge. And they're way up. So I don't know what's their plan, when they plan on cashing out, taking profits. And you know how the public sentiment or the retail sentiment changes as quick as something crazy happens. So I am bullish long-term wise. And hence, you see people come and go. Right now, instead of buying the miners or some of the health stock, like UNH probably, or whatever, just UNH is one example. Dirty stock maybe, but has potential. Instead of getting onto those, people are buying into all these, which have already skyrocketed. And I'm not saying it won't go up. But again, looking at this, especially like Western Digital or even like SanDisk, like look at this here, the chart. This is just scary, okay? I just don't like to touch anything like this personally. And I mentioned most of the stuff I'm putting out there is for the majority, the masses, who probably have $1,000, $10,000, $20,000 to play with. And yeah, if you want to play with big money, we can discuss that. Get in the community, we can discuss that. But I'm trying to figure out how we can start from small. When I say hold cash, because again, I mentioned most people just buy into anything and lose that cash. Instead of supporting somebody or buying into membership for $10 a month, just give an example, you'd rather lose that money in some gambling or whatever, right? Imagine saving money by going to Walmart and places just to save 10 cents per thing, so from grocery, just so you can lose all of that in some scam. Your hard work of saving and all this is gone. So hence you have to figure out, be aware, all right, be vigilant, try not to lose, make more, make more, try not to lose, cut down your expenses, and then buy into the right stock. Then you can compound and keep growing. Once you reach a certain level, 100,000, $1 million, whatever, now the focus is to maintain that money. Figure out how you can maintain it, grow that money, and get dividend from it and live life. That's the game plan. So let's see how things plays out. And should you buy this? I don't know, man. No comments. I'm putting the list out there just for you. And this isn't the first time. I've posted this on my so-called free Patreon as well. March 2. Look at this. Tier 1. Mostly optics. Look at all these here. But the miners here. I've put tier 1, mostly optics. Yeah, metals play. It's locked because you have to sign up free. It is free. But you can't see this right now. But same thing. This is an extended version of the list, which has been posted on the other side. Where was this? Right here. So pretty much the same thing. And you just have to, like I said, stay aware. I'll put things out there. Do your research. I will do my research whenever it's possible, and I'll give it to you. So until tomorrow, I will have another polished version this weekend, and probably will do a live. So stay tuned. And ladies and gents, thank you for believing, not trusting, but at least believing in this unpopular YouTuber. And if you like what you see, subscribe. And yeah, you'll make my day. And I'm out.